Instantly elevate your designs by mastering the art of adding shapes in Photoshop. Let's dive into Photoshop and learn how to inject visual interest into your projects with shapes. First, locate the shape tool in your toolbar. It usually looks like a square or a circle. If you don't see it, it might be nested under another tool. Just click and hold the icon to reveal all the shape options. For this tutorial, we'll primarily focus on the foundational shapes. Click to select the rectangle tool now. Simply click and drag on your canvas to draw a rectangle. You can hold down the Shift key while dragging to create a perfect square. To change the color of your shape, look for the fill option in the top properties bar. When the shape layer is selected, click the color swatch and choose your desired fill color. You can also control the stroke, the outline of the shape, by adjusting the stroke color and weight in the same properties bar. Now, let's try the ellipse tool. Select it from the shape tool flyout menu. Click and drag to draw an oval. Hold Shift while dragging to create a perfect circle. Just like with the rectangle, you can easily customize the fill and stroke colors. Photoshop also offers a fantastic library of pre-made custom shapes. Select the custom shape tool in the properties bar. Click on the shape preview to open the shape picker. Here you'll find a wide assortment of ready-to-use graphics. Simply click on a shape you like, then click and drag on your canvas to place it. You can resize and recolor these custom shapes just as you would any other. Experiment with different shapes, sizes, and colors to make your designs pop. You can even combine shapes to create unique illustrations. Adding shapes is a quick and effective way to boost visual appeal. Keep practicing and discover how many creative possibilities these simple tools offer for your graphic design projects.